You're going to hang on to your insurance check and you're going to hang on to your first insurance check and you're going to hang on to your deductible until I drop materials.
Good, because I've heard about some roofers that take your money and then run off and you're out the money.
Yeah, we don't do that. In fact, we're involved with a company called stormscamhelp.com, and they're actually owned by the group that I'm about to tell you about, Genesis Contractor Solutions. We work with them. I'm going to explain Genesis to you real quick. So what they do for us. You know how when you go to a doctor and the doctor has a billing office?
Yeah.
Okay. The billing office handles any invoicing, supplementing, any change, work order, medical orders. We are essentially like the doctor, the provider. We're the roofing contractor, and we have a group called Genesis Contractor Solutions, and these guys have changed our whole business model. They're great. What they do for us is they've helped us stabilize our cash flow. So that first insurance check and that depreciation check in 2015 was taking me 75 days to get that. So I had $350,000, $400,000 out on the street with multiple customers trying to collect and chase that money down.
That's hard to live like
so
that.
My cash flow is like this, constantly.
And then you're borrowing from one job, and it makes things difficult.
It's a nightmare. So Genesis changed that number. And also, my sales guys working with each homeowner were having to go out and deal with those homeowners who are busy, soccer practice, baseball practice, moms having to deal with that. They're not focused on giving a roofing contractor the check a month or two after the work's done, right? Sure. So we just want to make sure that and so that's what Genesis does for us. They are really great at customer service. They want to make sure that you guys are happy. So before they'll even pay me anything, you're going to say that you're happy and you're good and I did a great job.
Okay.
So that's a big thing. So you don't have to turn over any checks to Genesis or me until material drops. So you don't have to give me anything today at signing. But Genesis is going to make sure that I did a good job. They're going to make sure you're happy, and they're going to make sure that I'm provided the cash flow I need to do what I need to do.
So they're kind of a third party?
They are. They do finance the job for us, but there's no cost to you guys.
So are there extra fees? Because I don't want to pay for extra fees.
No extra fees. Genesis. So basically, for me, for my cash flow, we take a small hit on it, but it's not anything that's going to affect you. It's literally the insurance company pays you the check, and you send that to Genesis.
Not to you.
No, the insurance checks go to Genesis. The deductible comes to me. The day we do the roof, I will show up after you're happy and you're comfortable. I'll collect the deductible, and you will send the insurance checks. There's going to be a really nice lady named Linda Larry. As soon as we're done here, she'll probably call you today or tomorrow, and she's just going to verify that we've contracted and we're getting ready to go. And then a lady named Stephanie is going to give you a call, and she's going to make sure that you're happy when the work's done and help you send the check off.
And where do I send that check to?
They're going to send, as soon as we get this done and Linda gives you a call, they're going to send you a packet that's going to have a couple forms you have to sign, basically just showing that if we do the job and you're happy, that you're willing to send the checks to them, and it's going to be a self-addressed envelope, so all you got to do is just drop it in the mail and go. It's not going to cost you anything.
Okay.
It's very easy.
Well, I'm out of town a lot. Is that going to be a problem if it takes a week or two?
Typically what we try to do is just as soon as you have the check, and I'm going to have to get a picture of the check front and back just to verify. But typically, as soon as the job is done, I'd like you to send that check. Just drop it in the mail anywhere you're at. If you'll just have that self-addressed envelope and drop it in the mail, and it'll go right to them.
I'll have my wife do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know you guys need to get paid.
So, and I appreciate that. So, any questions or concerns about Genesis?
Well, I'm just a little confused as to, I don't pay you, I just pay them.
The insurance checks, this first insurance check and this second insurance check, and any supplement that we might get.
That's that third check you're talking about.
That's that third check. Will go to Genesis.
Okay. And they give me self-adjusted stamp.
And they're paying, just so, yes, they do. And they pay us. We're taken care of, okay?
Okay, I want to make sure you're getting paid.
Yeah, we are taken care of. The only thing you're going to give to us is the deductible. All right.
And water for your roofers, because that's hot up there.
Right. That's right. I appreciate that. And then they'll appreciate that.